all the fancy cars, $1 million mansions, multiple vacations a year with the family, not waking up to the alarm clock, not being told what to do, all the commission checks, cash dropping on your lap. That is the reality of having highly successful online business. But the sad reality, not everyone is cut out to be entrepreneur. So watch my video to find out whether you're ready to start your online business. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Zubarev. I've been doing online businesses for the last 12 years. And I'm going to talk about 5 reasons why some people are not cut out to be entrepreneurs. So please pay attention. Make sure you hit the like button on this video, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. So let's get to the meat and potatoes. So reason numero uno is the poor mindset, lack of the proper mindset, lack of money. A lot of people want to start online business because they see us, making, $10,000 a month from in our pajamas, from our home, maybe $20,000 a month, maybe $100,000 a month. And they want this lifestyle. They want to have this time freedom that we experience as entrepreneurs. But they fail to realize because they're brainwashed, by the media, by social media to have a job, the 40-40-40 plan, go to school, get good grades, get the stable corporate job, and, hopefully in 40 years you'll retire and, you'll get golden watch. But the sad reality for people that they realize that job security is a myth. It does not exist. So they jump online. They want to start affiliate marketing. They want to start online business, but they lack the mindset, right? Because they don't understand that being an entrepreneur requires obscene amount of work. You have to be obsessed about marketing. You have to be obsessed about what you're doing, passionate about the products and services that you are selling. And you have to realize you have no boss, right? So when you wake up, you have a choice whether to work or not to work, because nobody's going to check whether you're working or not. You get this, my friend? This is why it's so important to really have the self-discipline, the courage to, push forward. You need to have persistence in order to achieve your goals. So that's number one reason people fail to realize the difference between being an employee and being an entrepreneur, where we really create a work schedule. Okay, reason number 2 is because people, when they start, they want to start online business, they lack understanding of our industry and terminology, and they don't understand what it really takes to become successful. They don't go to events, they don't, hire mentors. They lack basic understanding of what affiliate marketing is, what email marketing is, what, affiliate networks are, what, conversions are. They don't know how to generate leads. All that stuff starts with basics, and you definitely want to start somewhere. If you are brand new, if you are a newbie, definitely check out a couple of links in my description. I have a couple of courses that I can give you access to where you can learn the basics, so at least you know what you are dealing with. There's also a program from really that teaches you from A to Z how to start affiliate marketing business. So I went to hundreds of events at this point. I travel all over the world, and I made priceless connections. Like in any other industry, you have to have connections in order for that for your business to become, have a chance to become successful. So you really need to surround yourself with the right mentors, with the right trainings. So definitely check out the resources in the description. All right, reason number 3, lack of persistence and unrealistic expectations. Most people that want to start a business, they just want to snap fingers and, manifest money out of thin air, which does not happen in anything in life, unless maybe, you hit the jackpot in the lottery. And they're not willing to go through a learning curve. They're not willing to, take those, those hits, and they're not willing to fall and get up, like I did, for many years, I spun my wheels until I really found the right mentors, the right programs, and I really committed to success in order for, to be able to do what I do, to have multiple income streams coming into my life thanks to affiliate marketing. Thanks God, I never give up. But most people, I would say probably over 80% of people are not willing to go through that learning curve. That's the reason number 3. All right, reason number 4, and before I tell you about reason number 4, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my future videos, and also hit the bell notification so you get alerted when I do that. So reason number 4, my friend, is not allocating enough time. You see, building online business is like growing a garden, if you will. You don't see your fruits of your labor for a period of time. You gotta put the right nutrition. You gotta, pour water every single day into your business, and attend to your business and be passionate about it, be crazy about it. That's why you see not many ultra successful entrepreneurs, because not everyone is willing to go through that learning curve, not willing to do the time sacrifices, the energy sacrifices, if you will, where everybody else wants to go party. They call you, hey, but you got business to build, right? So most people give up to those excuses, and that's the reason why you see look at the restaurants in your neighborhood. How many restaurants start their business and they out of business within a year, because that's what it takes. That's exactly why people and businesses fail, because they're not willing to go through that stage and keep pushing forward. All right, reason number 5 is fear of judgment, fear of success, if you will, because a lot of people fail for the reason that they either don't want to learn how to market, not allocating time to learn how to market, and also afraid of the judgment of the neighbors, of their family, of their friends, if they post something on social media, like on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. They're not actually willing to be, you have to be, like I said, you have to be passionate about products and service in order for that energy, because sales is the transfer of feelings. You always transfer the energy, and money is the byproduct of that. Money is the byproduct, my friend. Money is just transfer of energy, and a lot of people, unfortunately, are not willing to be excited to transfer that excitement in their marketing. That's the reason number 5 why people are not really ready for starting online business, changing their life and achieving this laptop lifestyle. So my friend, hopefully you really resonated with this message, and if you're the right person, if you really want to learn how to do this, to do what I do, to receive multiple commission checks and have multiple vacations anytime I want, traveling with my family, and teaching people from stages across the globe, then I invite you to check out a couple of the links in the description. There's a couple of courses that will take you from zero to hero, if you will. If you're willing to take the challenge, if you're willing to challenge your belief levels, and if you're willing to get into the trenches and actually learn new skills. Because if you're not, well, there's plenty of jobs out there. You can always get a job and make 6 figures in a job, but you're never gonna have time freedom, right? And like I posted on my Facebook, the sad truth is no one ever got rich by working from 9 to 5, but your boss did. So it's your decision, my friend. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my future videos. Thanks for watching. Let me know what business are you building in the comments below, and hopefully I can help you. So with that, thanks for watching. Take massive action, and I'll see you on the top.